Howdy, Wall Street Wooly. What are the advantages of investing in a Roth IRA? The biggest advantage of a Roth IRA is the tax-free growth and withdrawals. Unlike a regular brokerage account where you contribute post-tax money and have to pay taxes when you withdraw, for a Roth IRA, you only have to pay taxes on the money you contribute. The money grows tax-free, and withdrawals are tax and penalty-free so long as they are after age 59 and a half and the account has been open for at least 5 years. There are no age restrictions on contributions as long as you have earned income in that tax year. You have flexibility in timing your contributions. You can contribute your full limit in a single day or spread it out over the year. You also get extra time to contribute until the tax filing deadline, which is usually April 15th of the following year. You can fund a Roth IRA along with other tax-deferred accounts like 401k up to the maximum contribution limits for each one, since Roth IRA has post-tax contribution. There are a variety of investment options like stocks, bonds, CDs, mutual funds, ETFs, etc. to choose from based on your investment goals and risk tolerance. You can withdraw your original contributions at any time, tax-free and penalty-free, since you've already paid taxes on the contribution. And the ability to withdraw money before age 59 and a half, penalty-free for certain exceptions, makes a Roth IRA a great option for unexpected medical emergencies or for paying for college education or buying your first home. Unlike a traditional IRA, there are no required minimum distributions, RMDs, for a Roth IRA. So if you don't need the money, Roth IRA becomes a great estate planning tool, as you can simply pass it on to your heirs as a tax-free inheritance. Even if you are in a higher income bracket and don't qualify for a Roth IRA, you can use the backdoor Roth IRA option to convert your traditional IRA into a Roth IRA. You just need to pay taxes on the amount you convert, after which you can enjoy all the benefits of a Roth IRA account. That sounds great! So should everyone have a Roth IRA? If you are young and just starting your career, you are most likely in a lower tax bracket now than when you'll retire, making you an ideal candidate for opening a Roth IRA. Also, when your income increases, you may not qualify for a Roth IRA, but any contributions made now will continue to enjoy years of compounded tax-free growth. Also, if you plan to work beyond the traditional retirement age, Roth IRA can be very handy as there are no age restrictions on the contributions as long as you have earned income. Unlike a traditional IRA, Roth IRAs have no required minimum distributions or RMDs. This means you can withdraw the money whenever you want without needing to withdraw a certain amount every year. So a Roth IRA is a good choice if you want to leave money to your heirs. In most cases, they won't have to pay taxes on withdrawals. So if you meet the eligibility criteria, plan to use the money only in retirement, don't have access to employer-sponsored retirement plans, and will likely be in a higher tax bracket in retirement, investing in a Roth IRA is a great choice. But make sure to consider all possible retirement accounts based on your needs. To learn more about 401k, another great retirement account, watch the video on your screen. Thank you very much, Wall Street Wooly. You're welcome, Super Cooper. Remember, finance is your friend.